Our referee was not having a good day and kind of took it out on the players by giving 3 red cards in under 20 seconds.
Al árbitro y también es eso, es expulsado. ¿Ves? Ahí le saca la segunda amarilla.
No, pero no.
Sí, pero por el aplauso no le expulsó por eso.
Por eso, sí.
Teddy Osmus accidentally spills out his mouthpiece during a free throw and his reaction was hilarious. Sometimes in sporting events it can seem that the cameramen are filming very random acts. When pole vaulter Polina Nora saw the camera randomly filming her, she gave a funny wink. This is one of the rare scenarios in which people got unlucky twice in football. When Draymond Green was a bit nervous to talk to Drake at the NBA Awards, he started by complimenting his outfit. But well, Drake didn't show too much reciprocity.
What kind of your shoes?
I don't want to talk about outfits right now, literally.
In a kind of bizarre volleyball celebration, a mascot ended up giving a massage to one of the players. After Kevin Hart was poking fun at LeBron James and his teammates, he decided to steal his drink and give it to Drake.
The final 6 of the year, broke his leg in the training camp for the U.S. national team. Here's Steph Curry with that quick release. Some say it's a point.
Free kicks sometimes being game changers, especially when they are close to the goalpost. Players often have strategies for them, and well, some are more effective than others. In high stressful situations, things that normally wouldn't bother you can take a toll on you. This footballer didn't find it funny when a fan pulled a joke on him. Okay, this mishap in fencing hundreds of years ago would have been painful, but nowadays defending swords are designed with safety in mind and are flexible and not sharp, so thankfully there were no injuries. Okay, I am not entirely convinced why he does this, but this guy's shot seems to be automatic. So many cameras filming from different angles, it's getting harder for players to get away with a flop, but it doesn't mean they aren't still trying. With some studies estimating 77% of people having stage fright and get nervous in front of big crowds, it's normal to make mistakes. This athlete was so nervous during the medal ceremony that he accidentally put his partner's medal on. During the 2019 NBA Awards opening monologue, besides Shaq showing the worst free throw in his career, he did talk about his ex-wife and her amazing housekeeping abilities.
Ex-wife credit. She's a great housekeeper. She got to keep the house in Orlando, the house in Miami, and the house in LA.
A genius play by Mahir that left everyone scratching their heads happened when he limped off the court to trick everyone and get an easy dunk.
In San Francisco, here's McGee from Davis, 5 assists for.
Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like my style of commentary on videos. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.